Welcome back to Vintage Farmhouse Antiques and our little video demonstration of this absolutely gorgeous piece of antique Coalport. Now there is a condition note on this. We're giving the saucer away free because it has got a fine hairline crack running through it. It's stable, it's not going to come apart, but it's not perfect either. And I wish it was, because if it was in perfect condition, it would be of greater value as far as I'm concerned. But I still absolutely love it. Just look at that handle detailing. It's almost like an animal's anatomical neck or something. I don't know what they were thinking when they're doing this. It just feels so beautiful in the hand. These little stipples coming all the way up with that gold. And then this really reverse twist on the rib moulding all the way up from the round base plate to this serrated, almost scalloped rim with the ribbing and fluting coming through. It's paper thin and weighs next to nothing. Apart from that handle, it would literally have very little porcelain bone china in it, and it's survived since, well, this china mark, let me show you. Look at that. Anybody know the dates of that china mark from Coalport? Well, I can tell you it predates 1891, and this is probably 1870s, 1880s. So, very old and beautiful and in superb condition, that little teacup. And somebody somewhere is going to have a saucer in better condition than this poor one. Let me just show you the problems that we've got with this. Very fine hairline crack just coming through here, which you don't know whether you're going to make out on the video, but that's stable, no movement in it. And then again, you see this cracking here with a little bit of staining gone up through here, round through the glaze and up onto the top, and same away here. It's like a starburst crack. Again, a pre-1891 Coalport, green crown mark on it, beautifully moulded, rib walls running out right to the rims, and this tight little scallop rolling around, almost shell-like. A beautiful saucer, but it doesn't ring. What a shame. So we're giving that away free, and what you're actually looking at purchasing for an absolute bargain price is this beautiful teacup, which on its own is just a beautiful thing. Could you use this? Yes, very, very carefully, because obviously you've not got any damage on the teacup itself, and that works absolutely fine. But you'd have to be really careful with hand washing this. It really is just for display purposes only, and for somebody that just wants to enjoy the absolute sheer technical skill that's gone into creating such a paper thin moulded teacup like that. And the gilder's decoration and detailing on that handle, again, exquisite. Perfect condition. We'd be looking at it being £150 and £175 for a piece of Coalport of this beauty and age. In its current condition, with an imperfect, cracked teacup saucer, but a perfect teacup. The price is on our website. Click over using the link below. All the measurements, details, and everything else that you may be interested in finding out about this beautiful little piece of antique Coalport English porcelain china history is on our website. Thanks for watching.